from the mistake on the lake
and the land of the burning river. You're watching
The Mummy and the Monkey! Mwah!
She's a mummy and he's a monkey. It's the Mummy and the Monkey show. She's spooky, yummy, scary, funny.
Hey!
Come on, let's go. This haunted hullabaloo is just waiting for you. Join the Mummy and the Monkey show. Yeah. Well, whoop-dee-doo. Welcome, one and all, to Season 2 of The Mummy and the Monkey. I'm the show announcer, your ever-loving Cliff Jablonski. And I'm Head Staff Muckety Muck Renfield. Alright, so help us welcome the horror host with the most body odor. Shut up, you stupid stick. Janet Decay and Grimm Gorri! Hacha!
Thanks, Cliff. Hey there, groovy ghoulies. We're back from a little break in between seasons, and we're ready to bring you round 2 of our brand of offbeat weirdness.
Yeah, that's right, cuzzies. The Mummy and the Monkey are in full swing for Season 2 of our little show, yes. We've got a bunch of new silly skits and spooky surprises guaranteed to knock your blocks off.
Hey, Grimm, don't you mean knock your socks off?
Block socks. It's all the same to me, cobweb head. Hey, so let's say we get on with the show.
Yeah,
Bunkers, nice!
we here.
Yeah?
We're resting for the weekend.
Dang, yes! I'm Mumya.
I'm Monkey. We're Mumya and the Monkey.
I'm Mumya.
I'm Monkey.
Okay, so besides each of us going on our individual mini vacations over the break, which we'll talk about a little later, some changes to our production processes also went down. Literally, that's right. We physically moved the Mummy and the Monkey set, which was sitting right here, which was across town when we were doing it in the first season. We moved it to the Hairy Cemetery, actually deep below the Hairy Cemetery. That's where I usually do my show from, Grimm Gorri's Hairy Cemetery. And we also moved the Janet Decay's Rotten Reels set right here. You see it there? You got Hairy Cemetery, Rotten Reels, and further below, the good old Mummy and the Monkey set, yes.
Oh my goodness, yes, the back and forth was becoming a pain in our ass.
Ooh, an asp joke, I like that. Nice.
So we decided that little relocating was in order to bring you guys even more Mummy and Monkey than ever before.
Woohoo, that's for show, yes. So here's the new show format for you, all right? We're gonna start the show, intro the show, from right here on the Mummy and the Monkey set, okay? Deep in the catacombs. And those catacombs came in handy, I'll tell you. Below the Hairy Cemetery. And then we're gonna head up, host the movie in the Hairy Cemetery set, and then we'll come back down here to close the show. How's that sound? Huh? Sound good, yeah? Hey, see the light blinking. What's up, Cliff?
I'm Mumya.
I'm Monkey. We're Mumya and the Monkey.
I'm Mumya.
I'm Monkey. We're Mumya and the Monkey.
I'm Mumya.
I'm Monkey. We're Mumya and the Monkey.
I'm Mumya.
I'm Monkey. We're Mumya and the Monkey.
Guys, I think we got a problem with our transmission signal. I'm doing what I can to fix it, yeah.
Hey, thanks, Red. All right, gang, let's say we get the show on the road with my installment of Rotten Reels. And then right after, we're gonna head on up to the Hairy Cemetery.
All right, sounds fantastic. Hey, Cliffy baby, spin them Rotten Reels. Whoa.
It's time for Rotten Reels. Hello, my scaries. Janet Decay here yet again. And in the past, I've showcased independent filmmakers. I've had educational segments. Well, this time around, we're going to do something different. I thought it would be cool to showcase some antique cartoon clips from pioneer filmmakers Max Fleischer and Otto Mesmer. These guys were great. And our first cartoon I wanted to play is Felix the Cat. This title is from 1923, back when I was actually alive, and it's called Felix Gets Broadcasted. Spoiler alert, he goes to Egypt. Gotta love it. So, yeah. Enjoy it or not, at least give it a try, okay? For me, pretty please?
You go, girl.
Okay, yay! All right, here it goes. What am I doing, you ask? Well, I'm just trying to be as animated as the characters in these cartoons. For being all drawn by hand, they really around a lot, huh? Coming up next, I've got some Betty Boop for you. And there's a guest jazz star singer in there. Do you know who he is? If you do, email me, MummyAndMonkey@gmail.com. All right, there's Betty. Can I stop moving now? I'm getting really tired.
Keep moving!
Oh, come on. I'm done.
We like when you move like that.
Oh, boy. Woo. It's the jitterbug.
Boop-a-doop-a-doop-a-doop, boop-boop-a-doo. Ha 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 ha.
See my baby there, she's dressed out on a long white table. She's so sweet, so cold, so fair. Let her go, oh bless her. Wherever she may be, she will search this wide world over. But she'll never find another sweet man like me. Now when I die, bear me in my straight leg breeches. Put on a box back coat and a Stetson hat. Put a $20 gold piece on my watch chain so you can let all the boys know I died standing pat. Then give me 6 crap shooting pallbearers. Let a chorus girl sing me a song. Put a red hot jazz band at the top of my head so we can raise hallelujah as we go along. Folks, now that you have heard my story, say boy, hand me over another shot of that blues. If anyone should ask you, tell 'em I got those St. James Infirmary blues.
Magic mirror in my hand now. Who's the fairest in the land?
You're the fairest in the land.
Boop-a-doop-a-doop-a-doop, boop-boop-a-doop.
Whoa. What happened there? Yikes. Well, gang, did you know that Betty Boop's boyfriend, Bosco, is actually the puppy dog she hangs out with? And that's because originally Betty Boop was supposed to be a dog too, but later on they changed her into a human and they traded in her droopy ears for hoop earrings. They decided to keep the Bosco character, and even though they weren't like lovey-dovey, they were still considered boyfriend and girlfriend. Later on in the late 1930s, I guess the censors at that time and the critics said, "No way, Jose," and they were just friends instead. And also her skirt got a lot longer, her neckline got shorter, so a lot of things like that. And in 1939, that was the last we saw of Betty until the 1980s when she was brought back. So there's your useless Betty info for the evening. And it makes you wonder what these animators from the 1920s and 30s would have thought of like Simpsons and Family Guy and Ren and Stimpy and all these crazy cartoons we have now. So, alright gang. Oh my gosh, look at the time! I gotta get back and go see my funky monkey man Grimm Gorri. Mwah, see you later. Bye-bye.
Well, wasn't that interesting? You can always count on our resident rag-clad reporter to bring you the finest in worthless entertainment.
Hey!
I kid, Decay, I kid. Hey, so you ready to go up to the cemetery to start tonight's movie?
You bet! Beat you there, Bug Grub!
Hey, wait for me! Where'd that mummy go? Whoa, hey! Well, there you are, Decay. Thought I lost you down there in them catacombs. Yes. Well, here we are. Our first time in the cemetery to host a movie together. Yes!
Yeah, but you never mentioned dodging through all those creepy crawlies just to get on up here.
Well, you never asked, sweetheart. And even though we're still having some technical difficulties with a couple of bozos messing with our show feed, it won't stop the brutal cinematic assault we have coming your way. That's right.
Yes, so strap on those straitjackets tight, and it's time for tonight's sick flick, Moon of the Wolf.
Oh, that boo. Now that's what I call an SBDC. Yes.
Grim, what's an SBDC?
Why, silent but deadly cinema, of course. Hey, Cliffy baby, roll Act 1, and we'll see you all back here in the few shakes of a swamp creature's cattail. Yes.
Put that banana away, Grim.
Drop my nanner. Woo! Welcome back, kiddies. We hope you're enjoying Moon of the Wolf. Yes, we know we're not. I love that line. Anyway, you know what time it is, Decay?
What time is it, Grim?
Well, it's time for Not So Famous Monsters. Yes, we go back to 1958 and check out some audition demo reels from some wannabe horror hosts that auditioned back then here at WOPU. That's right. So let's roll that vintage film and check out Not So Famous Monsters.
All right, you can stop right there. Whoa, look at you, you're something else.
Well, me?
So, chum, tell us where you're from.
Where am I from? I'm from the east side of Cleveland, the Slavic Village area. You ever hear of it? Yeah. Morgana. Yeah, Warsaw, that area.
So tell us your name there, Sparky.
My name? Why? It's Mike. Mikey Gorski, alright? My friends call me Hunter. I don't know why.
Hey, if you want the part, it's yours.
What?
Forget the audition.
Audition? What are you talking about? What audition? My wife works here, okay? I'm here to pick her up. Hey, can you do me a favor, buddy, and point me in the direction of the little boy's room? I gotta make water. This way? Okay, I'm going the right direction, right? Alright, thanks a lot. See you later. Yeah, Audition? What the heck's going on here? I gotta talk to my wife. See what she's saying about this thing. It's crazy.
A monkey, we're Mummy and the Monkey.
A monkey,
A monkey, we're Mummy and the Monkey.
a monkey.
A monkey, we're Mummy and the Monkey.
Hey guys, I'm sorry, but these two wannabe goofball signal is getting stronger and more difficult to block.
Actually, I kind of like them.
I hate you.
What the heck do these two clowns want? And why the heck do they keep messing with our show?
Yeah, I wanted to talk about my vacation I took to Monster Island over the break.
And I went to the Dead Sea for some R&R.
Oh, really? What, for rest and relaxation?
Close. Rest and re-rapsation.
Duh. Silly me. Well, it's gonna have to wait. Cliff, man, can you patch us through to these reprobates? We'd like to give them a piece of whatever's left of our minds, yeah.
Ooh, that's a big word for a monkey.
Well, thank you.
Yeah, I think so. Give me a sec.
Hey, you two! What's the big idea cutting into our show?
Yeah, what gives?
What do you mean you're showing? This is our showing.
Yeah! MummyAndMonkey! #1 original!
Yay!
Yes! Woo!
What do you mean, #1 original? You're obviously a blatant ripoff of our program.
Not only that, but you're plagiarizing us too!
Yeah!
Okay. You know what though? Our showing has many things your showing does not have. Yeah. For the example, okay? Your show doesn't have poster of the elephant Bom Bom. It doesn't have.
What in the name of Donkey Kong does that have to do with being a horror host and show, man?
Okay. But you know what you don't have? You don't have married skeleton people. You know, you don't have them. Okay. So you has, okay, you know what? But our married skeleton people are still much better than yours.
You are super loser to us. Bunkus Day!
Man.
Okay, Cliff, cut their feed and keep trying to jam their signal. I have a plan to get rid of those ass pats once and for all.
Hey, cute, another asp joke. I like that.
Don't start with me, Monkey Man. Hey, do you still have poor Earl's claw?
Let's see, Earl, you mean my favorite pet that your man-eating plant ate last season? Yeah, sure. Got it right here. Keep it around for a back scratcher, yeah. It's great for those hard-to-reach places. Also makes a great selfie stick. I mean, look at the range on that sucker.
Graham, come on. Fork it over. And I'll fill you in while they watch the next part of the movie.
Hey, fork, that reminds me. Also makes a great fork, too. I forgot about that. Look at that. You can do that. That's great.
Give it back.
Hey.
No.
My Earl's claw. So, you want to buy this camper, huh?
Well, yeah, I think it'd be great for the road, Graham.
Really?
Yeah.
Take the show on the road, huh? That's a good idea, but you know what? I want to check it out first before you lay any green now, okay? And I used to work in the car lot. I'm a pro, so let me do my thing.
Okay.
Let's start over here. Come on, let's go around the back way, like the other ones. Well, I got some bad news for you, Janet.
What's that, Graham?
You can't buy this hunk of junk.
Well, why not?
Weren't you paying attention? This thing's dog tired.
Okay. Is it rolling?
What's it for?
The Mummy and the Monkey show.
Oh, of course.
I'll give you one of her flyers.
I knew that.
No, you didn't. It's okay. Hey there, freaks and geeks. Janet Decay here from the Mummy and the Monkey show at Motor City Nightmares, and I am with independent movie legend, the brains behind Trauma, Mr. Lloyd Kaufman.
Wow, Mummy and Monkey, I'm so happy. This is the best thing. The Toxic Avenger and Mayella, and this is the highlight of 40 years of Trauma making movies, right, Mayella?
Yeah.
Remember back in the day, right? We dreamed of Mummy and Monkey.
Or Nightmares, I don't know which.
No,
but
they were great, passionate dreams. Remember that? Yep.
Thank you. Well, I do have some unconventional convention questions for you.
Well, Mayella is expert, the historian. Mayella's the historian. Toxie is more about the fashion, right? Yeah.
He is a fashionista over there. All right, if you were a pull-string doll, what would your catchphrase be?
If we were what?
If you were a pull-string doll, what would your catchphrase be?
A pull-string dog. What would our catchphrase be?
Pull-string doll.
What would my catchphrase
Like a
be?
talking doll.
Talking doll. Good question. Let's see now. Pull-string doll. I guess. I don't know. What would I say? Jumping Jesus on a pogo stick, I suppose. Something like that.
That's a good one. I like that one. And
yeah, go on. I'm sorry.
we can move on to the next one.
I'm usually not without words, but usually Mayella tells me what to do, but you didn't tell me what to do, Mayella.
Tickle my.
I should.
That's what I want to say.
Yeah, that's what I would say. Tickle my. You're right. Thank you, Mayella.
All right, and what would be more interesting in your life, the deleted scenes or the blooper reels?
What would be more interesting?
Yes. If your life were one big movie, would it be the blooper reels or the deleted scenes?
These are very heavy questions. I think in my case, the deleted scenes, right, Toxie, when we were in Thailand together. Yeah.
The Brazil trip where we never actually turned the cameras on?
Yeah, that's true. That's true. Toxie and I had that night with the goat in Tijuana, too. It was pretty amazing. Luckily, nobody is on camera. No one will know that. Just you, Mummy, right? There are
okay.
no cameras here.
It's a secret to everyone.
Tell anyone.
Yeah, we won't tell.
Luckily, no cameras. Good show. All right, what's the next question?
All right, and if you were a flavor of ice cream, what flavor would you be?
No, you're not going to say Manella. Mayella, you're not going to say.
Robbins?
That's a fascinating question. What flavor do you think I would have?
But at 8 o'clock is the.
I don't know. Maybe greenish. Pistachio?
Ooh, pistachio's good.
Yeah, bubblegum and pistachio.
Bubblegum and pistachio. That's awesome.
that, yeah.
I've never heard that answer before. Well, we're going to wrap everything up. Any last words, Lloyd?
Well, all I can say is that the Trauma team really, my name is Lloyd Kaufman, president of Trauma and creator of the Toxic Avenger. And when Mayella and Toxie and I are not making those great movies like Toxic Avenger and Romeo and Juliet and Return to Nukem High, we like to kick back and we like to watch the Mummy and Monkey show, because that really is the best education and entertainment combined. It's much better than NPR, let me tell you.
Aw, thank you so much, guys. You're awesome.
You're awesome.
Yay! Can I hug Toxie too? Oh yeah. Yay! Touch his mom. Touch his mom. Oh, his mom. I thought she said mom.
So, what's your big plan to rid the universe of these annoying jerks? I mean, I can't take their annoying music or stupid interruptions any longer. Oh.
Piece of cake and pure genius on my part, if I may toot my own horn. Here, hold this.
Okay.
All right. So what do you get when you add Earl's Claw?
Oh, miss you, buddy.
A man-eating plant.
I don't miss you.
My very special quick grow formula.
Okay.
Put it in this spiffy container, and then expose it to this magical charmonk that has the powers of reanimation.
I don't know, maybe a highly dangerous and voracious carnivorous botanical-based mutation capable of devouring anything and everything of an organic nature in its path? Maybe?
You're right, Abe. Give this monkey man a cookie. Yes. Now let's pack this up, call up those dead X guys, and we're going to send this over to those nutcases so they can get Earl version 2.0.
Sounds great, sounds great.
Oh, what's wrong, Monkey Man?
Sorry, Dusty, but I gotta go to the little apes room. Pronto. I'm quick stepping from a pee-pee dance into a bladder bursting boogie woogie gangway.
Yes, Denex, Janet Decay here over at the Erie Cinematary. I need your quickest cadaver here pronto. We've got a special package that needs sent out. Oh, thank you. You're sending Carl? Oh, perfect. Who's there?
Dedex.
Oh my, that was fast. Entrez-vous. Oh, hey there, Carl. How's the wife and kids?
They're delicious.
Oh, that's great. Look, I need this mailed out super duper fast to the coordinates listed on here.
Okay, great. I have to ask you a few questions.
Okay.
Is there anything hazardous, liquid, or alive in here?
Yes, yes, and yes.
Okay, well, here, sign this. There you go.
Okay.
Okay.
All right.
Here's your receipt. If you fill the survey out at the bottom here, you can win a $500.
Oh, okay, all right. All right, go on and get that package mailed out.
Okay.
Pronto. Thanks, Carl. Oh, and here's your marker. Oh, man. I can't wait to see the look on their faces when they open that box. Really? All right, well, here's the last act of, whatever the heck this horrible movie is. Moon of the Wolf. And hopefully Grimm will be done by the time we get back.
Yeah, we're Mummy and the Monkey. Monkey, we're Mummy and the Monkey.
Wow! Look at those buggers run! You get what's coming to you, that's right. You did it, Ragdoll! You did it! It looks like those two nincompoops won't be bothering anyone ever again, yes.
I really can't think of a better way to wrap up our first entire show together.
Yeah, it was a blast, wasn't it? Even though it was almost ruined by those two imposters, MummyAndMonkey. Hey, what the heck's a monkey anyway, for crying out loud?
I don't know. By the way, let's not forget to thank our friendly neighborhood engineer, Cliff Jablonski.
Hey, Cliff!
Woo!
Thanks, you guys. I was able to cut this signal out of our feed permanently, yeah. Whoa, wait a minute. Looks like another signal's bleeding into our show feed. I can't stop it.
Okay, this blasted webcam device seems to be finally working. Let's see. www.furryfun.com. Username TickleMeBelgor. Password.
You've got mail.
Ooh. Ooh. Ooh.
Oh, I think
I'm gonna be sick! Oh! Totally did not need to see Belgor getting his groove on. Man. Well, alligators, we'll see you next time on the MummyAndMonkey. That's the Mummy and the Monkey Show. Ooh, ouch. Thanks, I needed that. Hey, how's the hair?
I flattened it a little. Here you go.
That's okay.
There. Ooh. Oh boy. Ooh, like that monkey?